Today I want to discuss assembly language program, that is write an assembly language program to add 5 numbers stored in consecutive memory location in 8085 microprocessor. For example, this is the memory location 2051, 2052, 2053, 2054, 2055, 2056. These are the memory location, and the data value are stored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 consecutive numbers. These numbers may become different numbers or same numbers or any numbers. These numbers become any numbers, and we want to add these numbers and store the result in memory location 2056. How it will be done? Here, this is the program of adding 5 consecutive numbers. This is the program of assembly language. Now let's move in the GNU simulator, where I write the program. The instruction related to these programs are LDA 2051. LDA 2051, this means we want to store the accumulator content of 2051 in the accumulator. We want to store the memory content of 2051 into the accumulator. Move B comma A. This means accumulator content are stored in the register B. LDA 2052 means the memory content of 2052 can be stored in the accumulator A. Add B means A equal to A plus B. Now again move B comma A. Now again LDA 2053. Now add B. Next is move B comma A. Next instruction is LDA 2054, and next is add B. Next instruction is move B comma A, and next instruction is LDA 2055, and add B is next instruction. Now STA 2056. The STA means store the accumulator content at the memory location 2056, and HLT is used for termination of the program. Now execute this program. If we want to execute this program, then what will be the result? First, we should take the value, data value in the memory location 205 and other memory location. How we can store? At the memory location 205, we can store the data value like 1. Now click on the memory location 2052 and type 2. Now next is 3. Next number is 4, and next number is 5, and next is 0, or any number. You can store any numbers or left it 0. Okay. Now if we execute this program, we get the sum of all the consecutive numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the result become 15. This is the result of adding 5 consecutive numbers. How this program works? We can check it step by step. Suppose this is the LDA 2051. We take the memory data 1 from 2051 in the accumulator A. So A equal to 1. Now move the into register B. Here we get B equal to 1. Now take the data value 2 from memory 2052. Now next instruction, add B. We can add the 2 into previous accumulator content. This become 3. Now again move this accumulator content in the register B. B become 3. Now take the input from 2053, that is 3, and add it with the data value of register B, and now this becomes 6. Now move the 6 into register B, so B become 6. Now take the data input value from 2054, that is 4. Now add this value into accumulator content. Now accumulator content to become 10. Now move the accumulator content in the register B and take the data value from 2055. At the 2055, the value is 5, and now add the 5 in the accumulator content, so this become 15. Now the accumulator content, that is 15, can be stored at the memory address 2056. Next instruction is HLT. This is used for termination of the program.